Credit Karma and MyFICO can show different credit scores because they use different scoring models, and the score a lender sees depends on the model they choose. By the end, you'll know why Credit Karma and MyFICO scores are different, which score lenders may use, and what information matters when checking your credit. A credit score is not a single permanent number. Multiple scoring companies create different models that analyze the information in your credit reports. Credit Karma typically provides scores based on VantageScore models. MyFICO provides FICO scores, which are widely used in many lending decisions. The reason your Credit Karma score and MyFICO score can be different is that FICO and VantageScore may weigh credit information differently. Your payment history, credit utilization, account age, credit mix, and recent credit activity can all affect your score calculation. When you apply for a loan or credit card, the lender may use a specific FICO score, a VantageScore, or another scoring model depending on the product and lender. This means neither Credit Karma nor MyFICO is automatically the only real score. Both can be accurate based on the scoring model being used. If you are preparing for a major application, such as a mortgage or auto loan, check which score model the lender typically uses for that type of credit. For everyday credit monitoring, Credit Karma can help you track changes in your credit profile. MyFICO can help you understand FICO scoring and monitor FICO-based scores. The most important thing to review is your credit report information. If your reports contain incorrect balances, missing accounts, or inaccurate negative information, different scoring models can all be affected. To improve your scores, focus on the factors that influence most scoring models. Pay your bills on time, keep credit card balances manageable, and avoid unnecessary new credit applications. Checking one score and ignoring the rest of your credit information can give you an incomplete picture. Your credit reports are the foundation behind every score calculation. The key points are simple. Credit Karma and MyFICO use different scoring systems. Lenders choose which scores they use, and your credit report details matter most. Your next step is to review your credit reports and identify which score model matters for the financial product you plan to apply for. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit scores, credit reports, and personal finance.